Hi, this is Amanda Kennerling, and I'm going to present Classroom Dojo for AEP 800 Assignment Module number 9. First, you would go to www.classdojo.com. Why I selected this resource. First off, it is, again, a super free resource. Doesn't cost you any money. It's a great visual reminder for students when you have it posted on the projector or even on your iPad or computer to assist in behavior management. It is very kid-friendly as they have cute little monster icons, and it specifically tells them what they're struggling with or what they're doing really well on. You can print out reports for the teacher, either by classroom, by groupings, or by individual students. You can also promote homeschool connections with the parental access to your Classroom Dojo. What was your purpose? The purpose is sharing this resource to assist teachers in improving behavior management and in keeping students aware of their choices throughout the school day. Who is your intended audience? The audience would include teachers, parents, and students. First, teachers can use this tool within their classrooms on a daily basis to help with classroom management. Parents can check up on their child's behavior in the classroom since they can't always be standing there watching them. And students can visually see the results of their choices, both negative and positive, throughout the school day. The two ISTE standards that are covered are Teacher Standard Number 1, Facilitate and Inspire Student Learning and Creativity. Letter C, Promote student reflection using collaborative tools to reveal and clarify students' conceptual understanding and thinking, planning, and creative processes. Student Standard Number 3, Research and Information Fluency. Letter D, to process data and report results, mainly on their behavior choices. How I created the finished product. Number 1, I determined the technology that I was going to use. Number 2, brought up my usage, login, and actual website to share. 3, created a Google slide presentation answering the 5 reflection questions. 4, rehearsed the steps that I would take to explain it to my audience. And number 5, recorded my self-guided presentation of the Google slides and demonstration of the tool with Screencast-O-Matic and uploaded it to YouTube. First, you would go to www.classdojo.com and find the free login link at the side. You can also see what parents can get on their phones or their emails to let them know how their students are going. This is my actual classroom. Again, when you log in with your free website, it walks you through exactly how to create your classroom. You enter your students' names in a list similar to an Excel. Then once they're in, it assigns them a cute little monster, so each one of them have their different person. And also you have an entire class icon as well. So as your day is going along and students are either doing things that you want to recognize them for positively or doing things that you want to make note of negatively as well, you click on the student's name. For example, you can see that my student over here, Mr. Eden, has done a very good job. He is up to 7 points. So let's say he's done something really well. He's participating or working really well with his partner. You click on his name and you give him some positive feedback. For example, he's showing great teamwork. It pops up, gives him 1 point for teamwork, and now his points are up to 8. But I see over here, my friend, Mr. Lawson, he's really struggling. So I need to mark that he's having some trouble with interrupting the classroom. So I would mark on him, mark needs work, and again, you have different categories to choose from. You'll notice the positive categories are helping others, on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, and working hard. So they fit all of your students, no matter what their academic needs. Again, with the needs work as well, it's disrespect, no homework, off task, talking out of turn, and being unprepared. Again, No judgment on any academic needs. So let's say Mr. Lawson was interrupting. Oh, it makes a little sad noise, and it takes away a point. So now he is down to a -3. They all can start at 0, or you can have it continue for the entire week. You'll notice that they go up and down as well when you give the entire class a point. So for right now, Eden is at 8. He should be at 9 when I mark it. And Lawson is at -3, so he should go back up to -2. My whole class was doing really, really well participating in PE today, according to the PE teacher. So everybody gets a point for participation. And like I said, now that friend is back up, and so is that one. And the whole class has a whole class point. You can also group them based on table groups. I don't have my students in tables, they're in individual desks right now, but if you had tables, this is another great way to do a group reward and group motivation. The other thing that I really enjoy about this website is that you can view reports based on how your students are doing. You can see their percentage of marks individually, as well as looking over at the chart, you can see for the day who was receiving points and who was not. It has the times and the days. Again, this is something that I've created just today from scratch. Then it also has a printout for that day, 76% positive, talks about each one of the sections individually. So you can create classroom goals as well as individual goals. There is also a place for attendance, however, I never have used that myself since we have attendance on our computerized grading system. The other two items, again, that I have not used in the past because of other tools available to me are the classroom story, which to me seems very, very similar to your classroom web page or my, for example, classroom Facebook page. Then there's a message center. Again, you can contact the student's individual parents where it goes to their cell phone, as you saw in the introduction video. And you can also send individual messages similar to the Remind app that you can get as well. Heading on back to my main page, I just wanted to say thank you for listening to the demonstration, and I hope you have a fun time creating your classroom of monsters and keeping track of their dojo behaviors.